It's the calm before the storm. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, so a calm before the storm. Something big is about to happen. It's already happening in the metals right now. Massive sell-off in silver. I'll get into that in another video, but I want to focus on the indices in this video. Dow Jones squeezing up and squeezing up and squeezing up into this triangle pattern. We got like a selling down day again, and you can see this momentum is still shifting down, and we've got a bit more of a selling volume today as well too. Not a true breakout as yet, so nothing really going on there. But the one thing I do look at, guys, is that this is a calm before the storm, because if you go back and have a look at that weekly chart, guys, for me on the Dow Jones is still seriously the one that I'm looking at. You can see how we've had this move up and this move up, and now we're at this level right now, and we're still struggling to break up, but it's still trying to break down right now. And if you look at the line chart for me is still king. This is the weekly line chart, the Dow Jones. This is basically from last year's high. This first line up here, last year's high, and then we had this high point up here. The market ran down, came back up, and it's failed through here, and now it's actually heading back down. So I'm actually, and I've been saying this for a while, that this whole thing here for me is a false breakout. False breakout for here, guys, and we're still rallying down and still getting this low peak. So do we continue following through? I would actually think we'd actually do that. I think that false breakout is just a matter of time before we see a lot more downside to come there on the Dow Jones, because you can see that's what's really happening there. Moving forward, guys, let's have a quick look at all the other indices. So let's go have a look at the S&P 500. Similar thing that was on what was happening on the S&P. Let me actually, sorry, on the Dow Jones, but we still have this overall big channel on the S&P here. On the short term, guys, on the short term, let's bring up, say, the 3-month view here on the short term. You can see here that we do have this sort of trend line here, and it's actually closing below that. That's the very first time it's happened, and we're getting selling volume. So that's actually a weak sign. We're breaking out. Remember, that's what actually happened on the silver before it actually broke down. So it's still showing a lot of weakness through here, guys. I'm expecting to see a lot more weakness on the downside coming forward. And moving forward on the Nasdaq, really not much going on here. It looks like it's trying to build like a bull flag here. So Nasdaq is one of those things that's like, what's going on? We don't know. So there we go, guys. A quick little update on the indices, on the indices, and guys, man, this next few months is gonna be crazy. Hold on to your horses. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.